Okay, so how to open trading account if you plan to trade Forex or stocks. So go to RoboForex, please use my link. I'll put it in video description so we can both get some benefits from this action. Okay, so once you're registered, you need to click on open. You need to verify your account after registration, and only then go to accounts, real account. And here you need to select trading account. So here is a trading platform what you can use, so you can select. This one is best if you plan to trade stocks. MetaTrader 4 is a standard where most EAs are working, most robots are working with MetaTrader 4. Okay, so here is real account, so simple account, demo, so virtual money, and copy FX trader. So this one is if you plan, you can open trading account, start trading, and other people can copy your trades as well. Okay, so we will open, for example, this type of account. So here we can select account type, so Pro Send, so simply send account, DSN, so fast execution, Prime, and Pro. Okay, if you are interested, you can read everything about all these account types in RoboForex website. So if you have small money like $100, $500, and you do not want to risk too much, you can open Pro-Cent account type. Okay, so let's open simple trading account. So here we'll select MetaTrader 4. Here we'll select Pro-Cent, so we'll use cent account. Currency, so dollars. Leverage. It's depends on you, how risky you are. Usually I select this one. So password. This password will go to your MT4. And affiliate code, please enter this one. Okay, so let's click on confirm. Here are the details. Here is your server, what you should use once you are connected to MetaTrader 4. Now we need to download MT4 platform. So go to help and click on download MetaTrader 4 and enter your details, and you are ready to go.